everybody. I'm Qrafty, the Qrafty Comic, and this is my take on the June 2020 Soap Challenge One Pot Wonder. I call this one Whale Watch. In this batch, I'm using a recipe of castor oil, 76-degree coconut oil, olive oil, shea butter, and hydrogenated soybean oil. At light emulsion, I split the batch into 4 separate jugs, coloring each with micas. 3 I got from Micas and More. I used turquoise green, clementine orange, and stellar white from Steph's Micas and More. And then I had a sample of an ultramarine purple that I don't know where I got it from, and it didn't have a name of a seller on it. But those are the colors I used in this batch. There we have it. What I thought was blue ladles turned out to be blue whales. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.